Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Good evening. In today's newspaper of Monday, November the 27th, 2023, told you earlier we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So what I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the puzzle page of Saturday. Saturday, November the 25th, 2023, we have here two puzzles left. The binary and the 3 stars or 2 stars Sudoku, and we have also an additional in the weekend edition with 3 puzzles left, so total of 5 extra puzzles. But let me start with this one, the 3 stars Sudoku, number 7518. 7518, is this correct? Let me check. Yep, 7518. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26, that's a lot. It's not a good indication of the difficulty level, because for a puzzle with 26 printed digits, it should be a 2 stars puzzle. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We see have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then need a 4 here, need an 8 here, need a 5 here, need a 2 here, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, okay. Need a 7 here, need a 6, need a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes and there. 8. Then need a 2, 2, 2. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. 6, 6, 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2, 5. 2, 5, 1. Alright, alright. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 1, 1. Well. Need a 2 here. A 2 here. 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this one, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left of 2 in this big square should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. No. Not a pair. Yeah. Come on. 4, 2, 8. Need an 8 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 in this one. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8. In this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7 We have 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in third row, though, need to place level, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Need a 7, need a 3, need a 5, 3, 5, okay. Alright, need a 6, 3 missing numbers, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with a 6 in this big square, should be there. 1 is missing in this big square. We have a 1 in this one, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. Well, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 8 here, so the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 6 is missing. And 7 is missing. Okay. Interesting. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes and there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place level the 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. And I need a 4, 6, yeah. Need a 6 here, 4, 6, and 7, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, and look, we have 4 and a 7 in this column. No 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. 6, 6, okay. Need a 2 here. Need an 8 here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 5 here. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Need a 5. And I need a 7 and a 7 and a 8. 7 and 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 6 here. And I need a 6 here. 3. 3, 3, 3. Need a 3, need a 2. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 1. Need a 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column 3. No, need 2 places left with a 6. Could be here, could be there. Need a 3 also, and I need a 1. 1, 1, 1. How about these? 2, 3, and 2, 3, and a 5. 2, 3, and a 5. 2. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row, so the row between. Second row, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 in this column. Second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 3, need a 5. 3, 5, and I need an 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have 8 and a 5 in this column. No 8 and 5 in this box. 8 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. Okay. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in a row above, so that row, only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. So I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes here. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here we have 2 and a 3 are missing. In the third column, we have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 8 and a 5, 7, 6 and a 1, 8 and a 5 are missing in the middle column. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So we have 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 and a 1, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. And 1 should be here, 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes. Well, I think it's a 1 star. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.